My God. I should not watch that scary movie. I should have not watched that movie, Annabelle. That was so creepy. What was that? Oh, that's Harley. Scared me. Oh my God. I don't trust my doll right now. When I was a kid, I love it, but my mom said it moved his head. I'm just going to put it under my desk. There. Wait, I should work right there. I don't want it to eat my foot. Oh, wait. Hold on. Guess I need to put it right there. I have a good idea. I added to my friend to come for a sleepover party. Hello? Oh, really? You know that? Can you come to my sleepover party? Okay. Bye. Oh my goodness, my friend knows about sleepover party. Okay, I'm gonna wait for her. It's your bestie friend. Whoa, why are you so early? Oh, I don't know. Wait, let me see my clock. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning. You should be up. Yeah, my mom said because I don't have no school. I have a vacation. Lucky, I still have school. Ugh, you're so lucky. Even my mom gives me a cupcake. What? My mom doesn't give me a cupcake? Ugh, I really want a cupcake. Yeah, I will give you one. Oops, sorry. It's okay. I will give you one. Wow, are those new boots? Yep, I got them from my mom and I'm super happy. Wow, that's cute. And I love your bows and your dress. Wow, you look like you're getting for like a midnight, like midnight dance. You know, right? Oh yeah. Where's your doll? I throw it away. Why? It's cute. I don't trust it because I just watched the name Annabelle Clusion. I don't know. Oh, you should not watch that movie. My dad said, go ahead, watch it. And I follow the rules. Rules. Oh, don't follow the rules, okay? Okay, I won't. I had to use the bathroom. Oh no. I'll wait for her now. Ah! What is it? I saw lipstick says, don't answer the phone. Oh gosh. Ugh! There, I smashed my phone. You know there's Minecraft in there. Oh no! Oh my god, oh my god. No! There is my favorite thing. What is it? Cake. That's all you like? Yeah, duh. It's delicious. Duh. I love cake. Hey, what is that? What do you see? Oh, nothing. Well, I'm not going in the restroom. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's like your dog. Don't touch it! Don't touch it! I just touched it with my foot. Oh my god! Did it just moved? Huh? Throw it away! There. Whew. Someone turn on the TV. Someone please turn on the TV, please. Thank you. Who's that? My sister. Oh. Wait, is your sister in my house? Yeah, she always be in your house. Oh, okay. Wait, I have something to tell you about school. What is it? It's about from my lives. Okay, let me hear it. It's about I was working and then I'll have to use a bathroom. Then the teacher said yes, he can use the restroom. Then there's like no people in there. And I saw the stalls move and open. And I heard a squeak behind me. And there's like a door like open by itself. Oh my god, that is so creepy. I know, right? And then later that night I can't even sleep because in my bed I thought I heard something in my closet. And then there's like something hair, like on a hair. Oh my goodness, that is so creepy. Is your house haunted? Probably. I don't like my house haunted. It's creepy. I know, right? Oh. Hugs. Hug me. I'm scared. Me too. Let's leave that doll alone, okay? Okay. Ouch. You okay? Yeah. I have a nice question. What is it? It's about you're my best buddy. Aw, thanks.